Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Overwatch crashing on the startup or not launching it. So it is pretty simple and easy to fix, so let's get straight forward. Open up your Battle.net launcher and go to the Overwatch. And here click on the options menu and click scan and repair. This should fix your problem. As you can see, begin scan and you'll see that it is scanning game files. Wait until it's finished. Close Battle.net and open up again and try launching the Overwatch. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go to the Explorer. So just click Show in Explorer, click on the Retail, and here you will see Overwatch. Right click it, click Properties, click Compatibility, and run this program in compatibility mode. For Windows 8, click Apply and click OK. That should fix your not launching problem. You can do this for Overwatch Launcher too if that doesn't work. Compatibility, and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click Apply, and that's pretty much it. Go and try launch your Overwatch 2 and see you in the next one.